Hey there, future affiliate rock stars. Ever wondered how to make your first commission promoting a unique, exclusive product? Well, stick around, because I've got the scoop for you. Today, we're diving into the world of ImuRegen. This isn't just any product. It's a groundbreaking, consumable health supplement marketed exclusively by the Forever Healthy Products Affiliate Marketing Program. And guess what? You can't find anything like it out there. Step 1, sign up for the Forever Healthy Products Affiliate Marketing Program. Simple, right? Just head over to their website, fill out the form, and bam, you're in. Now, you're officially an affiliate. Step 2, familiarize yourself with ImuRegen. Learn about its benefits, how it works, and why it's the first of its kind. Knowledge is power, my friends. Step 3, create killer content, blog posts, social media updates, YouTube videos, whatever floats your boat. Just make sure it's engaging and genuine. Show your audience why ImuRegen is a game changer. Step 4, utilize your affiliate links. Place them strategically in your content. Make it easy for your audience to click through and make a purchase. Remember, no link, no commission. Check the links in the description box for more info on ImuRegen's affiliate marketing program. Step 5, build trust with your audience. Share testimonials, personal stories, and honest reviews. People buy from those they trust, so keep it real. And finally, step 6, monitor your performance. Check your analytics to see what's working and what's not. Tweak your strategy as needed and keep pushing forward. There you have it. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to earning your first commissions with ImuRegen. Remember, the key is to stay consistent and keep learning. Hit that like button if you found this helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on crushing it in affiliate marketing. Check the links in the description box below for more info about ImuRegen affiliate program to get started. Until next time, keep hustling and stay awesome.